Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine and got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar.
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome here if you're new. My name is Tiffany and today's video is going to be a clean with me. I hope you guys consider subscribing below for more videos like this one. Give it a like in the end if you enjoyed it, and let's get started. Okay you guys, so let's get started. Turn this on your TV or have your phone where you can see it and at least get done a 15-minute tidy up with me. So we're starting out in my master bedroom. I typically start here every day, every time that I clean. That way when I come back tonight, I know my bedroom is nice and clean and you can relax more. So I'm just going to the nightstand and putting everything away back into its rightful spot, and then I'm going to move over and make the bed.
Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end.
I don't know if most of you are like me, but when I walk in my bedroom and I see my bed is not made, it drives me insane all day until I get it made. It's just something that clicks with me. My bed needs made every single day.
Come undone. Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
Next, I'm going to move over to folding up the dog's blanket, and then I'm going to move over to my, I guess, a temporary setup for my desk right now. I am planning on getting an actual desk for this area. It just hasn't gotten there yet, but we're going to get this decluttered and then clean off the table and get it all tidied up.
Across your face, it is written across your face. If you want to talk, I'm right here, not gonna leave.
I have been so indecisive about deciding on which desk to put in this area because I know that when we move houses that I might put it in another room or I might put it in the living room. I'm unsure right now. So I'm trying to decide if I should have a desk that matches our bedroom furniture, which is the dark wood. I would probably prefer having like a white or something different than the dark wood, but I'm not positive if I should do that or if I should just go ahead and match our bedroom furniture. And we've been throwing around some ideas, but we haven't decided yet, so we'll see what happens there. If you guys have any opinions about what desk or what color you think I should get the desk in or anything like that, please let me know down in the comments. That would really help, because I'm trying to make the room flow without taking up a ton of space, because there's not much space in this corner for a big desk. So it's limited on the sizes of desks that you can put here. But anywho, let me know down in the comments what your opinion is on that.
I know you're strong, won't feel this way for long, no. If you wanna go out, we can go out. We can hide away just
Now I'm going to move over to our dressers. I'm going to clear the tops of them off completely and then continue to dust.
Just for one night. Brave, brave, brave. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Baby, stand up tall, I know you can be brave, 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 brave. I know you can be brave, 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 brave. Brave, 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 brave. Brave, brave, brave.
You guys can probably tell by the guitar and the mandolin in our room, but my husband always plays his instruments and I end up finding picks everywhere in the house at times. So I always have to gather them up and put them away for him, or else they get stuck in the weirdest places.
When we used to dance, but now I don't know where you are. I missed you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you. Wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. My heart keeps on bleeding, I have scars, the ones not healing.
I'm moving right along and I'm going to vacuum these floors up. If you guys are still enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up for me and let me know.
I should have treated you much better, so much better. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you. Wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, I know it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. Tick tock, the clock keeps ticking. Don't know what I should do. I wish you would be right here with me. I'm thinking of you, thinking of you, I'm thinking of you.
Next, I'm moving into our main living area and I'm going to fold up these blankets, get the pillows taken care of. My two pillows actually have a ton of stains on them. I've washed them recently before this, but they get dirty so quickly, and here it is. You can see all of the stains. So I'm going to take these covers off and get those washed up. The other two I will just set aside, and I'm going to clean these couches. I'll vacuum first, and then the couch needs a good scrub down, so I'm going to clean the cushions on that.
Dreaming of a time when I get things right.
lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are? Send a prayer if I'm out of luck. Send a little love and I'll make it back. Send me a letter and a bottle of wine, telling me I will be fine. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Halfway hard, halfway hard. Sing to me if I lose my voice. Set a better route if I lose my course. Count on my company and I will come. Save me when I am falling. Save me when I am falling. Save my love when I fall. Baby, I'm stuck.
Okay, so I'm moving on to all of these toys. They really need cleaned up correctly. So my system right now is I'm getting all of the toys that the kids brought from their rooms, all of the bigger items, and putting in this laundry basket so that it is much easier to carry them back to their rooms at one time instead of making a ton of small trips. So I'm just going to put those in there now, and then about once a month I will go through this entire cubicle set right here and organize all of the toys. And I usually have a couple bins for my daughter's stuff, and then the rest of them is usually boy toys, since I do have 2 sons and 1 daughter. So we try to even it out that way, but the books always go in the middle that they love to read.
Send a little love, I'll make it back. You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking it.
And here I'm just showing you some of the candy that was left and some of the snacks the kids had from this day. It was all over the floor, so I'm just going to continue and vacuum up this rug and vacuum the area around.
Like a late night, someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything
This is so cute. My little son Peyton right here, he's our oldest son, oldest of the 3, and he was trying to help me pick up the pieces of candy and throw in the trash for me. He loves helping mommy so much.
Everything seems so good.
Moving right along to this small load of laundry that I did, and I needed to get that folded tonight so I can carry that over and put it up in the morning when everybody is awake.
I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking
How can I compare thee when no one ever could come close? Look around, but I can't see. That is usually just how it goes. Brought a new horizon, opened up our doors to something more. Spun me round and you shook me, got me tainted to the core. So tell me what to do. Comes close to you. For the longest time I've been trying to find someone like you, but I keep crashing back into all the things that you would do. For the longest time I've been out of my mind, trying to lose every single trace of you. But I know it's true that nothing, nothing, I said nothing comes close to you. No, nothing, nothing, I said nothing comes close to you. In a million days and in a million ways, I know this to be true, that nothing, nothing, I said nothing comes close to you. When I close my eyes now, like I got your smile going on repeat. You're the star of my movie, but now it's done, still stuck in my seat. Ain't getting off easy, like I'm doing time yet without parole.
That is all for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more videos like this one, plenty of cleaning motivation, and I will link below some videos that you can check out if you would like to. I'll see you guys in the next one.